Hello, this is Ron Skydio Brown here with another video on our favorite new drone, the Scotty O2, the king of obstacle avoidance and tracking. But what we got today is not a flight video, but a video of some useful accessories for the Scotty O2. Now, I purchased these products from my good friend Rick Smith over at Drone Valley. He has made a video, I think, about these things or whatever. But you can check his website out. I will drop a link down below where you can go over and pick these products up. They're both very affordable products. So, with no further ado, here, the first thing I have is it's a case for the controller. It's made by Sunny Life. They're a well-known company. They make a lot of drone accessories, for various types of drones. Now. What this here actually is, it's a case for the Parrot and Nafi controller. But, as many of you know, the Skydio O2 controller is basically the same controller as the Parrot and Nafi, but has Skydio written on it. But otherwise, it looks and feels the same thing as the Parrot. I mean, it's common knowledge they borrowed the controller from Parrot or licensed it. But anyhow, so this case is made to look like the case that the Parrot and Nafi comes from the factory, in that kind of gray case with even like the strap like the bigger Nafi drone case has, and like a little thing over here you can put something through on the side here. So what you do is, I already have it unzipped. It has the the holes for the sticks, has the spot here for the bottom of the drone where it has the indentation. So you just put it in there like that. Fits in very nicely, and if you want to put your cord in there, room for your cord to stick in there too. And zip it on up there, and now you have a nice secure case for your Nafi controller, because the Skydio comes with that nice case over there, but no case for the controller, because the controllers come separately, of course. So and this is very affordable. I forget I never know the price off the top of my head, but I know it's under $20, and I'll link it down in the bottom of this video. So very affordable case. And if you happen to own a Parrot and Nafi also, which I do, it can do double duty then. So you can just drop this in your bag, not worry about your sticks getting messed up. So the second product I have for you good folks tonight is look, it even has Drone Valley packaging on here. I guess this is something Rick makes special. This is the little I'm gonna call it cap for the USB C port on the back of the Skydio. I'm going to show you right here. You see the Skydio right there has a port on the top. That's your USB-C port for charging. And of course, this port faces upward, so of course it's prone to getting, you shouldn't be flying in the rain, but moisture in it, dust and whatever just falling right down that port. So what this product that Rick makes and sells is, it's a little cap for it, and you can find these a lot cheaper, like on Amazon, but they'll just be plastic, and they won't last, and they could even possibly pop out. But this little one's made of metal. So let's do an unboxing here. I didn't even tell you it's going to be a good unboxing video. So we'll take that off. It comes in this nice resealable bag, and the nice thing is you get two of them. And I always forget the price on these, but they were very affordable, under $10 for both of them. Again, I know you can buy them for like $1 on Amazon, but they're the plastic ones, which won't be as good, won't last as long. So let's see here. Let's see if we can open this up here. If this reseals or not. There we go. Sorry, folks, for that. I didn't cut this open in advance. I didn't know it was going to be a big effort here. So let me just hang. All right. So we finally got the little plug out of the bag. That was the hardest part of this video. So let's see if it fits in the back of the Skydio. So let's line up here, trying to not get my fingers in the way here. And you can see he even color coded to match the Skydio drone here. So let's get it in there. So all right, you can see it fits in there really nice. Yep, it's secure. It's not going to come out. In fact, Now it's going to be tough to get out. Hold on, let me try this again. Hope I can get this in camera. I'm not blocking it with my hand here. Sorry, I can't, I cannot not block the thing off. Now I've lost it here. Yes, anyhow, it really fits in there, very, very securely. It's not going to fall out. In fact, it almost is too hard to get out of there, but that's better than the other resolution. So, yeah, it fits flush there, fits in real good. So, you may want to pick these up if you own the Skydio and you don't have a cap for it already. So, okay, well, that's it on this episode of Scotty Nation here. A couple handy accessories to go along with the Skydio drone. I know some more people are starting to receive theirs now, so their shipment is starting to pick up in them a little bit. And, I know some people have even already bailed on the Scotty O2 and have sold theirs. But I'm going to hang in with mine. I have a lot of fun playing with it. I mean, I know it's not the perfect drone. It doesn't do everything, but I certainly have fun when I go out in the field with it. And, we're going to continue along with it and hopefully get some good firmware updates in the near future and adds a few more features. And, we'll go from there. So, okay, signing out of Skydio Nation, and we will see you in the next episode.